focus to the other big story we're tracking here. India Today now gets you details of an expansionist China. We are shifting focus to the other border. Now we're taking you to the line of actual control. And we're telling you about China's devious plan to build hundreds of villages along the disputed territory on the LAC. And then China intends to stake claim to this land. They've done that in the past. They've done that in other places. They're doing this now. India Today gets you satellite images of how that expansionist plan is unfolding on ground. Abhishek Bhalla reports.
China's expansionist policies exposed again. Satellite images accessed by India Today show China having constructed a 100-home village along the India-China line of actual control in Arunachal Pradesh. Village construction on the disputed LAC is a devious Chinese tactic to stake claim to territory claiming civilians have been living in the area all along. China has used nomads and shepherds backed by armed soldiers to penetrate deeper beyond the line of actual control in multiple sectors from Arunachal Pradesh to Ladakh.
चाइनीज़ का जो इंट्रोडक्शन ट्रांसग्रेशन तो होते रहता है वो कभी-कभी और बीच में फिर भी हमारा अपना इंडियन आर्मी है आईटीबीपी है बॉर्डर पोस्ट में सब तनाव है रुका हुआ है वो लोग अपना बॉर्डर गार्डिंग के लिए अपना ड्यूटी कर रहा है उनका ऊपर में हम लोग भरोसा करते हैं.
In fact, India's Army Commander of the Eastern Command, Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey, too has expressed concern about China planning to make around 600 model villages along the disputed border between India and Tibet. India too is working on an initiative to settle villagers, providing them all modern amenities along the border villages in Arunachal Pradesh.
सवाल पूछा बॉर्डर विलेजेस के बारे में. हाँ, उनकी अपनी नीति या स्ट्रैटेजी के तहत बॉर्डर के साथ कई जगह बॉर्डर के पास उनके विलेजेस मॉडल विलेजेस आए हैं. अब उसमें किस मात्रा में वहां पर लोग स्थायी हुए हैं वो दूसरी बात है, पर जहां तक हमारा सवाल है हमारे लिए ये कंसर्न होगा कि उसका किस तरह से डुअल सिविल और मिलिट्री यूज इन सब फैसिलिटीज का इन सब विलेजेस का वो कर सकते हैं. और इसका संज्ञान या इसका नोटिस हमने हमारे ऑपरेशनल प्लानिंग में पूरी तरह.
A US Department of Defense annual report to the US Congress on military and security developments had also highlighted the PLA expansionist policy, talking of Chinese infrastructure development leading to increased tension between India and China. Government sources insist that the Chinese dual-use village, for use both by civilians and the Chinese army, have come up in the disputed territory where the Chinese had maintained a post since 1959. However, images accessed by India Today show there was no construction in this area till August 2019 and multiple huts have come up by November 2020. The construction is reported to have taken place when India and China were in a tense standoff in eastern Ladakh post the Galwan violence on June 15, 2020 and the quid pro quo operations south of Pangong Tso. Some security analysts have argued adopting a hard line to deter an expansionist China.
What the Chinese are trying to do is deal with you. You just read the latest report from the Pentagon. They said incremental tactical intrusion steps they are taking to keep nibbling away at Indian territory. It is called the salami slicing strategy. छोटा-छोटा बाइट लो लेकिन खा जाओ पूरा. बड़ा बाइट लोगे तो वो शेर भी उड़ जाएगा. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि दर्द जब होती है ज़्यादा तो छोटा-छोटा बाइट यहाँ छोड़ वहाँ छोड़ ये वो कर रहे हैं.
Politics has also escalated on the issue, with opposition Congress asking the government to clarify the steps taken to deter China. Chinese President Xi Jinping, during a recent visit to Tibet, had also spoken of settling people along the borders to protect Chinese interests.
China has planned 600 villages along the line of actual control, and half of these have already come up. These villages were meant for civilians, but there are no civilian takers as of now. and it gets amply clear that these are nothing else but military facilities that the Chinese PLA is looking to use. Abhishek Bhalla, New Delhi, for India Today.
We will continue to track developments on this big story. That is all I have time for on India First this evening. Coming up, Nykaa glams up Dalal Street after the e-commerce giant's blockbuster debut. Details coming up on our special show, Business Today with Abha Bakaya.